Hi YouTube, it's me again. Right now I'm going to do the famous Mentos and Pepsi or Coke experiment. I'm using Diet Pepsi and I'm going to be putting 2 Mentos. Now it was actually for a science project, but no more video presentations, so I will be demonstrating here. Okay, on 3. 1, 2. What?
It's an old.
You gotta be kidding me. This is really thin material. Okay, that you gotta be
Another Mentos.
That
sucks.
Okay, Mom's gonna help me now. Okay, let's take this stupid Mentos. Let's put 4 Mentos, shall we? Okay, let's put the whole thing.
It's not gonna work. It's an old. No, don't waste them.
I'm still gonna put this on YouTube, no matter what.
Don't stop
Shake it up?
No.
God. Alright, well, as you can see, that did not work as well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hey guys, I just want to talk to you guys about what I think happened in the experiment and what went wrong. And so what I think happened was that the Coke bottle that we used, we've had it for 11 months right now in our garage. And so I think the bottle, because of it being so old, it did not make the experiment. It just went a little bit, not a whole explosion. So I put this video up on YouTube because I thought it was funny, and that's basically it. So hopefully next time I do a Mentos video, it will be bigger. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.